Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share this beautiful makeup for Indian wedding guest with this beautiful golden lehenga which I also bought from a online shop. Now this is not a sponsored video. All the products and dress shown in the video bought by myself only. Now coming to the makeup and hair, it's a very sleek and classic look and this suits everyone and it's very easy to recreate, and for that you don't need to have exact same product, just use some kind of similar products and you can recreate this look. And also don't forget to share your pictures with this look on my Instagram. So let's start the video. Now for winter, prepping up your skin is very important. So first I'm going to apply this Nivea soft moisturizer on my clean face. And then I'm going to prime my face with this perfecting face primer from Oriflame. It's a moisturizing primer and it helps to minimize your pores also. And now I'm going to use this colorbar perfect match primer. It makes the skin smooth and also it helps to lock the foundation for longer time. And now I'm correcting my dark circles and dark patches with this orange concealer from l.a.girl Pro. I'm going to apply this on the dark patches and dark circles that I have on my face, and now I'm going to blend all these things with my fingertips. Now I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation and my shade is Radiant Beige, and here I'm using a flat top buffing brush to blend it out thoroughly. It's a high coverage foundation, so you can build the coverage by applying a second layer. Now for concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and my shade is medium. I'm applying this on the underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, and also on my eyelid and a little bit on my forehead. And here I'm using a buffing brush from Real Technique and I'm going to dab all the product into my face. And now to lock the foundation and concealer, I'm going to dab a damp sponge over my face, and it helps to lock the foundation and concealer for a longer time and it even out the base as well. Now to set all the things, I'm going to apply the luxury banana powder with the same damp sponge. Here I'm going to bake my face, so I'm going to apply the powder on the areas where I have already applied my concealer. Now I'm dusting off the excess product from my brows with a brow comb. And now with this two brow shade and it's a powder base, I'm going to fill my brows. I'm applying the lighter shade on the inner corners of my brow and I'm going to draw the arch with the darker shades of my brow. And here I'm using a flat angular brow brush. I like to keep my brows simple, clean and natural, so I'm not going too crazy. Here I'm only filling my gaps with this powder shade which gives a naturally defined look to my brows. Now I'm cleaning this area with some concealer, and for that I'm using a flat concealer brush. I'm also setting the concealer with some same banana powder and also I'm using the damp sponge, and now I'm going to dust off all the product from my face and also drag the brush to my ears and to my neck area. Now I'm going to dab the damp sponge all over my face. It keeps the makeup last longer and also avoid oxidation, so your makeup won't look dark, and also it remains same for all day long. Now I'm slightly contour my face with this lighter contour shade from the Sephora Geometric palette, and here I'm going to apply this on the hollows of my cheek and on my jawline. And for the side of my nose I'm using my fingertips. Now I'm going to apply this blush from Sugar, and I'm going to apply this on the apple of my cheek, and here I'm using the same brush from Real Technique. Now I'm using this Miss Claire 01 eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this light brown shade on as my transition shade, and here I'm going to apply this on my crease. For this I'm using this round fluffy eyeshadow brush, and then again I'm using this Miss Claire 01 eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this brown shade and applying this on the all over my eyelid. I'm also applying this shade on my lower waterline as well. And now I'm taking this black shade, and with the flat eyeshadow brush I'm going to apply this on my eyelid, and I'm going to apply this close to my eyelashes like eyeliner. And for a defined winged look I'm using this tube. It's a small trick to create a defined and clean wing. And I'm doing the exact same process for the another eyelid. Also I'm darkening the liner with the same eyeshadow, and now I'm using a small eyeshadow brush. Make sure you are using some flat brushes here. And also I'm smudging it out for some natural look. Now I'm going to tightline my eyelid with this Faces Canada Kajal, and also I'm going to apply this on my lower waterline. Next I'm going to line my lips with this Lakme lip liner in shade Red Alert. Also filling my lips with this same lip liner. Now over the lip liner I am using the shade Ruby Woo from MAC. Now I'm going to curl my lashes with this lash curler from the Body Shop, and I'm going to apply some lash primer for both of my upper and lower lash line, and after 5 to 6 seconds later I'm going to apply mascara for again both of my lashes. Now I'm using this Makeup Revolution highlighter brick, and now I'm using this golden copper shade. With the help of this fan brush I'm using this on the high points of my face, like my bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, on my chin area, on my brow bone, and also I'm going to apply this on the inner corners of my eyes and also on my brow bone. Now I'm going to put a matching bindi, and I'm going to put some matching jewelry with this. For this look I have curled my hair, and this is the complete look. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.